I'm in Independence Grove in Lake County, Illinois.
The trail is called the Overlook Trail Loop and is about 2.5 miles long and runs on the outer edge of the property.
Since I'm already at Independence Grove and since I paid $12 to park here on a weekend as a non-Lake County resident, I've decided to ride the two small trails that they have here. This one is the Overlook Trail, and then there's also a lakeside trail. So this first one here is the Overlook Trail. And for those that watch the Des Plaines River Trail, this is where the two split off from each other. So if I go left here, that'd be the Des Plaines River Trail, but we're staying on the Overlook Trail, so we're going to be on this side. You can see the lakeside trail down that way.